Tired of hunting through Jira's Marketplace for the right test management app? Here's exactly how to install Zephyr in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through each click, from opening Jira to starting your free trial. No fluff, just the steps. Start by opening your Jira account. If you're already logged in, you're good to go. Make sure you're on the main dashboard, because that's where we'll begin. Now, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a column with different menu items. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is the gateway to everything you can add to Jira. So if you've never been here before, it's worth getting familiar with. Once you're in the Apps section, you'll want to click on Explore More Apps. This opens up the Atlassian Marketplace. It can be a little overwhelming at first with all the options, but we're only looking for one thing. On the search bar at the top of the Marketplace, type in Zephyr and press Enter. Now, a quick tip here. There are a few versions of Zephyr floating around, so you want to make sure you pick the right one. Look for the app that says Zephyr, followed by Test Management and Automation for Jira. That's the one I've tested myself, and it's the most reliable. Click on it to open the app page. On the app page, you'll see a blue button at the top right that says Try for Free. Go ahead and click that. Now, a pop-up window will appear asking you to review the permissions. This is the really important part. Take a moment to look through what Zephyr needs access to. It will need to read and create issues, attach files, and manage test cycles, things like that. This is normal for a test management tool, but you should always know what you're agreeing to. When you're comfortable, click Review. Finally, you'll see a button that says Start Free Trial. Click it, and just like that, the installation is complete. Zephyr will now appear in your Apps menu, ready for you to use. This might take a moment to process, but once it's done, you're all set. And there you have it. From lost in the marketplace to having a fully functional test management tool installed in just a few clicks. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a thumbs up. And if you want more no-fluff tutorials like this, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.